What's up, y'all? We're back today with another game day graphic. This one's a pretty simple one, so let's jump right into it. We started out with these feathers in the background, and this is what the original photo looked like. So I had to remove the background from the photo of the feathers, and the way that I did that was I just changed the layer style to lighten, and here's another one. This is the same exact photo, and then I just went here, double clicked on that, and I just dragged this layer down. So basically these black sliders, I pulled both down to about there, and then I split them and I pulled that one down even further to about there. And then I added in the line texture for them to stand on, just 25% with the layer mask on it, and then just tried to warp it to give it the right perspective. And then we have the game day graphic, and all that is a gradient overlay. So I just have a black to white gradient overlay, linear gradient overlay set to overlay on 65% opacity, and that's what gives it that sort of like orange to yellow look. And then I added in the shadows that are going to be under their feet, which are super basic, just like circle shadows. So here's the photo shoot photos, so I just cut those out. I have a whole video on how to do that quickly, so you can go check that out if you want to. I'll link it above right now. So then on the cutouts, I have an inner shadow set to color dodge from the top right. I have a linear burn from the top or from the bottom left to give it that shading look, and then I have a drop shadow, which is super subtle, just kind of separates them a little bit from the feathers and the things in the background. Again, it's only 16%, so not that harsh. Then I have another cutout, and I cut him out using the same technique. So again, check out the other video if you want to learn how to do that pretty quickly. And then I just used the same techniques on him. So that's the inner color dodge, and then the bottom left linear burn, and then just a subtle drop shadow behind him as well. And then I just went in and painted in some shadows over like their shoes to kind of blend them into the ground a little more. It's not perfect, but it's just quickly done. And then I added in more feathers over top and kind of gave them that blurry look to make them look like they're in the foreground and to just spice it up even more. And then other than that, we just have the lighting from the top right, shadow on the bottom left, the info, and our color filter over top, and then the bottom info. And that does it. So check out this video if you want to see more game day graphic breakdowns like this.